Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Obviously you guys are here to see how I curl my natural hair using no heat whatsoever and all black owned business brands. Now I'm going to shampoo and condition my hair. Although I never relaxed or permed my hair, it's extremely damaged from like heat, dye, bleach. I probably colored my hair about a million times. So I'm going to go ahead and treat it. While you're waiting for your treatment to sit, you can blow dry it for 10 minutes, but I won't be doing that. I'll wait the 30 minutes, it's fine. And we're done. Now I'm gonna rinse this out thoroughly and apply leave-in conditioner. Now that I'm done with that, I'm going to be putting my hair in 4 sections. You can part the front of your hair whatever way you want. I'm parting it down the middle because that's how I'm wearing my curls later. To separate my hair, I'm making these little buns and just tucking my hair underneath the bun. But you guys can use anything to separate your hair. Scrunchies, bobby pins, whatever you like. Alright, so now I'm gonna section off this part of my hair. Some people use mousse, but today I'll be using Shea Moisture's Defining Gel Oil. The ends are super important. When your ends aren't right, girl, it's just not right. So I'm applying the gel oil to the ends. I'm not really generous with this product, so I'm really putting it on the ends mainly, and all those like loose hairs, like those flyaways, that's what I'm putting the gel on to make sure it stays. Other than that, I'm not using too much of this product. Now I'm gonna go ahead and bend both sides of the flexi rod to make sure my hair is tight and secure. When you get your flexi rods, they'll be in 2 different colors to show 2 different sizes. Use the smaller rods in the front and larger ones in the back. Also, when you're rolling your hair up, be sure to not roll your hair on top of each other. Now to take them out, make sure you unbend both sides and make sure the rod is nice and straight. Twirl the rod in the opposite direction of the curl and watch it bounce. Hold the hair while twirling the wand. Now I'm going to oil my scalp. Since the parts are still visible, that's where I'm applying oil. And that is literally it, guys. So when outside finally opens and all the hairstylists are booked and busy, you'll be fine. I love my curls like this, but if you want a bigger look, just gently open them up. For my ladies that love big hair, you can definitely pick your hair with a comb. I like to use my fingers. I'm in love with the way they came out. And you can wear it in different styles. You can rock a pineapple or just pin the front. And you're done. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.